Hello, Python lesson 11. The equal operator, the bracket equal equal is used to compare two values in Python. Example program. Step 1. Open Python 3. Step 2. Type the following code. Number 1. Int the bracket input, the bracket under code, enter the first number. Same way for number 2. Step 3. Click the run button. Step 4. Enter first number 5. Press enter key to continue. Enter the second number 5. Press enter key to continue. The output of this program is equal to true. Okay, thank you.